Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about working to your strengths.
So you need to define what your strengths are. So maybe you're good at a particular process at your company, but you are not at another. So what that means is working to your strengths means you need to spend the most amount of your time, the largest percentage portion of your day, working on the things that you have a strong affinity for, and the things that you don't, you need to turn those over to somebody else.
Yeah, exactly. Kind of an example for us is Roy is very hands-on when it comes to learning, whereas I am very good at picking something up just through reading and studying. And so that's the difference between us. So for example, starting an Etsy store, I could just read about it and then go and do it. Roy, if it came to him starting an Etsy store, he would probably need somebody to be sitting with him and like show him the steps through it.
Yeah.
For it to be.
Big red easy buttons.
Yeah.
You know, so that's.
Yeah. Even if doing something on a computer interested you, it'd probably be more like, working with your hands out in the shop or on a vehicle or, well, not a vehicle, but we know how you feel about that.
That's a necessity sometimes.
Yeah.
But yeah. And I know what you're thinking. Not everybody can have a Jessica, right? Like, not everybody can. But you sure as heck can hire one. Mm-hmm. Jessica, God love her, she's my wife, and she does everything she does for me for free. So, that's an amazing thing, right? Mm-hmm. Great, low overhead business here. But, again, you may have to think about outsourcing the things that you absolutely loathe. Now, you may not be at a place in your business to where you can take and do that, but that still means you need to still put the highest majority of your time into the stuff that you do the best and a lower percentage of that time in the stuff that you do the worst at. And that is just to kind of keep your mind good and sound and in the right thing. There is a lot of outsourcing jobs that you can get where you can outsource things. Maybe it's clerical work. Maybe it's your taxes. You outsource that to a tax professional, right? Like, you don't have to do that by yourself. Of course, you have to pay this. This is going to happen, but that's business. That is business. You're going to have to get comfortable with paying a lot of this to make a little bit of this. So this way you can,
continue the cycle.
Retire at the age of 90. That's the bit stark truth for him, isn't it?
Yeah.
So work on your strengths, not so much on your weaknesses. Your weaknesses will come up over time, or you can find people to fill those gaps. Yep. So that's it for this 3 Minutes at 3.
Thank you for joining us.
And as always, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.